Hey everybody, it's Izuku here, and I have a quick video for y'all. It's about like changing your mindset about work and stuff like that. Work's a part of life that we're all gonna have to do no matter what, if whether if we like it or not. So you might as well try to figure out how to make work like more positive for you or more enjoyable. So the point of this video is how you like phrase things in your life or like what you say about work or anything else in your life. You could apply this to anything, will like determine how it's going to be. When you have to go to work and you think, fuck, I gotta take my ass up, get ready for work today, bro. I gotta work an 8 hour shift. If you're thinking like that before you even go into work, you're already about to have a bad day and work's about to suck ass. Instead of thinking like that, you need to change your mind and say shit like, okay, instead of being like, fuck, I gotta go to work today, think, I'm about to go in and get my hours today. Instead of thinking, fuck, today is long as fuck at work, think, I'm grateful it's going by fast. Even if it's not going fast and you know that, lie to yourself, bro, and say, today's going by fast as fuck. This shit's a breeze. When you get up ready for work, be like, I'm grateful I get to go to work. Don't think, fuck, I have to go to work. Think, I'm grateful I get to go to work. I'm about to go in, get my hours. Today's about to be a fast ass day. Set it up to be positive. Like, don't shut your day down before you even get there. This could apply for working out too. If you're all like, fuck, I gotta get my ass up and go to the gym. I'm not looking forward to running on the treadmill for 3 miles. Like, if that's what you're thinking, you're already not going to want to do it, and you're already probably not going to do it. Versus if you wake up, you're all like, all right, I'm about to go hit this PR today. Shit, I'm about to fuck some shit up in the gym today. Who sounds like they're more likely to go to the gym? So what you say will literally, like, it could influence a lot of your life. So if you're saying like a lot of negative shit, just shutting yourself down, you are probably like negatively impacting you. Whether if you like have the discipline to do it, even if you don't feel like it, you would have an easier time if you would just speak more positive. It's like kind of like manifesting it into reality, even though actions are like how you actually manifest stuff into reality. But if you aren't having the correct language, you're constantly negative, you're constantly putting yourself down, you're gonna have a hard fucking time. So we just need to be better than that. Let's not be like, fuck, nigga, I gotta go to work today. Just be like, I'm about to go to work today. I'm about to get my hours in. I'm about to work this 12. This shit about to be easy as fuck. Get this paper. Like, just speak better about yourself, and you will be more like successful. Or at least don't say negative shit about yourself. That's honestly what is probably mostly holding you back. Whenever you're all like, fuck, I don't want to go to the gym today. Fuck, I don't want to eat healthy. God damn, I gotta not eat fucking brownies for a whole week. Like, just saying shit like that is already setting you up for failure versus like, I'm about to get this six pack. I could give examples all day, but I'm just kind of repeating myself. But like, come on, guys, just focus on upgrading your language to be more positive about yourself so it could serve you better and not be a detriment to your success. All right. But that's kind of all I really had for the video. I kind of thought about this when I was talking to one of my associates at work. He was like, because he said, damn, today's long. And then he's like, actually, nah, it's not long. And I was like, what you mean? He's like, I just need to change my mindset, and I need to say like, it's faster. And I've been doing this for the last 2 weeks, and work's been just going by fast. Every time I wake up, I'm like, I'm about to go in and get my hours in. When work's like going shitty, and I'm just like, fuck. Instead of being like, fuck, why am I here? I'm just thinking, I'll just stand there and I say to myself, I'm like, get my hours in. Shit, it makes it better. It makes you like more able to like just take shit on. So I'm gonna just leave it there. That's all my thoughts for today. So next time you have some shit you don't want to do, don't say shit negative about it. Shut your ass up. If you have to lie to yourself and say something positive, I'd rather you do that. But just keep your head down and just get the shit done you have to do as a man. All right. So make sure you guys also do something productive today. Drop a like on my video if you found any type of value from this. Only if you found any type of value from this. And yeah, guys, do something today. It's Saturday. Don't be on YouTube all day. And peace out. All right.